Are you okay? Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and you're watching S Lizzy Lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram or TikTok account, you can follow me at sparkling_Lizzy on Instagram and TikTok. So this video is actually it's a prank video with my mom. She doesn't know. So I'll be using this. This is food coloring. I'm doing a prank on my mom. I'll be coughing out blood. My mom is always like quite emotional, very emotional. My brothers are not, so I didn't want to use my brothers in this video. So I decided to use my mom because she's very emotional. So today I want to see her reaction. Coughing out blood, guys. So guys, this is my mom. We are doing the video together. So I'm going to be asking her a few things about me that she should know, and if she doesn't, then I don't know, but few things about me that she should know as my mother, and and every other thing. I'll be asking her a few things which she's supposed to know about me. So mommy, what is my favorite food? What's my favorite food?
Rice.
Rice. What kind of rice?
Any kind of rice. White rice, jollof rice, spaghetti,
Spaghetti
and
is not
chicken.
rice. I like chicken, but I also like spaghetti. Okay, she's right. Okay, mom, what's my favorite color? Like my favorite color?
Your favorite color is pink.
Pink.
Yes.
Okay, mommy. If I ever have a car, what color of car do you think I will have? I will want to get or purchase.
If you have the opportunity to have a pink car, you will go for pink. I know. Because you like anything pink.
Okay.
Yeah, Miss Pinky.
Okay. This one is going to be a bit difficult.
Okay.
What is a nickname my friends call me in high school?
In high school,
Yes.
I know now, they call you Sparkling Lizzy.
Okay. A nickname from school. Okay, mommy, who? Okay, who do you know? Okay, who are my like what is my favorite pet? If I should have a pet, what kind of pet do you think I would love?
I know you like teddy bear. You like teddy
I
bear.
said pet.
Okay, pets, like animal.
Yes, animal.
Dog.
Dog. What kind of dog?
Maybe you like Rottweiler.
No.
You don't like Rottweiler?
No.
Because that's the only dog.
No,
That's the
no,
type
no,
of
no,
dog
no.
I know that
We have had before.
we've
No.
had before. It's a Rottweiler.
No. I love all these pet, hairy, fluffy. I love all these fluffy, hairy pet dogs that are always very cute. I think the dog that I like, not Rottweiler.
They're
No.
not teddy bear like.
Yes.
They
They
call
are
you
very
teddy
cute.
bear.
Okay. Which two countries do you think I would love to visit in future when I actually have the money?
Canada.
Okay.
And I think which other country? You always talk about Canada.
Yes, Canada.
I don't know which other country. Which other
Paris.
country would you like to? How about Sweden? Your Oriflame.
I can't. There's no limitation. I can travel, but I really want to visit Paris and also Canada because I love the weather of Canada. So I'll be asking you one more question. We have like 5 more questions to go. Okay. What was my dream university when I was in high school? My dream university. I always say I want to go to this university, my dream university. That if I had the opportunity to go to, I would love to go to. Which university?
Ibadan.
Ibadan. Uni Ibadan.
Which university?
Jesus Christ. No.
So which university?
Oxford or Cambridge. Outside the country, not even in
You talk
Nigeria.
of outside the country, that part.
Unibadan. Because
That,
in Nigeria, it's even Unilag in Nigeria.
That
But
is
I would
Ibadan
have.
we put as first choice.
But it would have been Unilag, like if I had the opportunity in Nigeria. But in high school, I always wanted to, whether Oxford, because I always had their dictionary and I used to read about them and all of that. So, who is my favorite gospel musician, Mommy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Because you love music and you play a lot of music. So I can't really say.
Can't really say my favorite gospel musician.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you tell me now?
I have two.
Okay.
In fact, there are so many. I love all the gospel musicians. But I love Steve Crown, Don Sick, and even Domon. I love his songs. In fact, when I was small, guys, the opportunity I've been waiting for. So she went outside. I've been looking for a way for her to stand up. She's about to come. Someone called her outside. So I'm going to put this in my mouth and pretend I'm coughing out blood. I've been telling her since morning that my chest is paining me. So when she is almost here, when I can feel her or sense her, I'm going to take this and like put it in my mouth and cough out blood, and let's see her reaction. I don't know why she's taking so long. Mommy!
Are you okay?
Jesus! 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 Bring a mental one! What's it? Get out of your face.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Oh, please. Go and sit down. Sorry. It doesn't it doesn't bring anointing oil. I'm sorry. Oh, I love you. So then brag is not about asking you questions. I thought you if you love, so this is my first prank video ever on this channel. If you love this video, like and subscribe. I really got my mom. Mommy, I'm very sorry.
I better leave me alone.